Slack Huddles enable quick, informal voice and video conversations within channels or direct messages, perfect for spontaneous collaboration. To start a huddle, go to a Slack channel or direct message and click the headset icon in the top right corner. This initiates an audio huddle. Toggle the camera icon to add video to your huddle. Alternatively, right-click any message and select Start a Huddle to discuss it directly. When starting a huddle in a channel, all channel members are automatically notified and can join instantly. You can also manually invite specific users by clicking the Invite button in the huddle window or by mentioning them in the channel. Up to 50 participants can join a huddle, and guests can be invited via a shareable link. Once invited, participants join the huddle, where you can see video feeds and control options. During a huddle, click the Share Screen button to present a window, application, or your entire screen. Annotate shared screens in real time with tools to draw arrows or highlight text. For smooth sharing, ensure you have a stable internet connection with at least 2 Mbps bandwidth for video. Use keyboard shortcuts like Command-Shift-H Mac or Control-Shift-H Windows to start a huddle. Command-Shift-S Mac or Control-Shift-S Windows to share your screen, and the spacebar to mute/unmute. Long press the huddle icon on mobile for quick access. Customize notification preferences and default audio-video settings in Slack settings for a tailored experience. Huddles don't record by default, but enterprise users can enable recording via integrations.